Okay, so here's the steps. Rewrite it as x squared plus bx equals c, meaning you get the number to the other side. So we're going to add 34 to both sides. I'm going to go to a smaller font. So I'm going to go plus 34 to both sides. This is step one. So I get x squared plus 8x equals 34. I left the space there on purpose. I don't know if we're going to do that in everyone, but so now here comes the step that people forget, right? Or that this number right here. This is the step we're doing right here. This, okay? You cut it in half and square it. That's our magic number. Now, in a regular problem, I would just put this right here for the I just stick the 16 right there and stick it over there. But for this problem today, I'm gonna write it do the whole thing out, a little bit extra work. X squared plus 8x, here comes the magic. Adding 16 here, but the thing is, algebra is all about balance. You could do whatever you want to one side of the equation as long as you do it to the other side. If I want to add 1,000,000 to this side, I can add 1,000,000 as long as I add 1,000,000 to the other side. It's not going to help me, but I can do it. It's totally it's fair. So now, when you do this, you don't have what's really going on. You don't want to do this every time. I'm going to do this in the yellow because you don't want to do this really ever. What's really going on at this point is you have two numbers that multiply to 16 and add to 8, and it's going to be 4 and 4, right? So it's x plus, but you don't have to do that. When you do all this work, the whole purpose is to get a perfect trinomial, which means you're always just going to take this, the square root, take this, the square root, and take this sign. It's going to be, so we got plus, and put a square on it. And the other side is just 34 plus 16 equals 50. That's the big procedure. I mean, it's a process. It's, usually in math, you simplify things. They go from more steps to less steps, from bigger to smaller. This is kind of, you expanded it, in order to solve it. It's kind of weird. Then we do what we did in the other ones. So we take the square root of both sides. So we get x plus 4 equals positive, negative, radical 50. Anybody know what the square root of 50 is? Or what it breaks down to? That's nice. 25 times 2, right? So 25 times 2 is 50. And 25 is a perfect square. So what's the square root of 25? 5. So we get x plus 4 equals positive, negative, 5 root 2. The root 2 is left behind. Sorry, there's nothing I could do for you. We subtract 4 from both sides. And again, put it to the left of this sign. Just because that's how you write it. And then my final answer, if I have I didn't use the orange yet. So my final answer is going to be negative 4 plus minus radical 5 radical 2. That's my answer. And by the way, again, that's really two answers. Jocelyn, you with us, right? That's really two answers. That's negative 4 plus 5 root 2 and negative 4 minus 5 root 2. Which is something like 3 and negative 11, roughly. Oh, let me stop my video. Um,